Like I said, for the springs, you take a Brillo pad and you clean off all the gunk. And you can only go up so far. And then doing this by hand. Afterwards, you could take a couple of ear cleaners or whatever, a screwdriver with a rag on it, and you get inside here and get all the gunk out. You just follow it along and it will go all the way to the end if you are patient enough to do this. And that's how dirty these Q-tips got, because the spring was filthy. A lot of old grease on it, oil. The parts are in the ultrasonic cleaner. It's a good time to clean up the case. And again, I like using Old English oil. Some people don't. Some people say it causes mildew. You use whatever you want to clean up your case. I think Old English oil does a really good job of cleaning up the case. A little before picture. That Old English oil will soak into that wood. And that's what it looks afterwards. But I'm going to continue cleaning up the case, clean up the glass, and then I'll be back to putting the movement together.